AMPG Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Sitting at 248, 25% gains is cool. And Amplitech stock, I mean, I've already made videos on this. Let me just kind of show you my biases on this. Right, beforehand, I was really kind of looking at it and it went up out of nowhere. And I was like, right, if I see double breaks beneath these lows, then I'm willing to take a short. And that's a bearish bias for me. But we actually had another plan. And then the price has been just kind of consolidating on a little bit of a higher chart and, you know, higher price. Which is not necessarily like a wrong thing or anything. I never took trades there. Maybe like my bias was wrong and whatnot, but no trades got taken. And specifically with AMPG, you know, we broke the lows, have some highs. Right, if I see certain breaks above 256, maybe then that's going to be a bullish market, but I'm still kind of sold out on this bearish side. And if there's double breaks, then I'm also willing to take a short. So I'm not going to assume I'm going to react like the previous time. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.